Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster, and today I'm going to show you how to make some awesome teriyaki chicken using, wait for it, manuka honey. And if you don't have manuka, any honey will do. Okay, to start off, you're going to need some chicken thighs. Now, I could be wrong, but most Japanese don't marinate their chicken when they make teriyaki. But today I'm going to because I know you want me to. And I'll be using the same type of marinade that I use to make chicken karaage. It consists of cooking sake, soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. And the process is pretty simple. Just dump it all into a bowl, give it a mix, and then let it rest. And how long should we let it rest for, Bento Buster? Well, if you're in a rush, I'd say a minimum of 30 minutes. And if you're not in a hurry, overnight. But make sure you remove any excess moisture with, say, some paper towels before you throw it into the fry pan. Because a dry chicken is a good chicken. Well, when it comes to making teriyaki, of course. Okay, the marinade has done its stuff, so now it's time to get cooking. I've added some olive oil to a hot pan, and now I'm going to cook these babies. I'm going to cook the chicken on both sides until it's cooked all the way through. I really want to make that skin nice and crispy, but I don't want to burn it, so I'm going to keep a good eye on it as I'm cooking it. My technique is very simple. It is keep on flipping it and cooking it, and then flipping it and cooking it and keeping an eye on it. And when your chicken starts to look like this, you know it's done, so it's time to take it off the heat. Now just look at that coloration, isn't it beautiful? This chicken is juicy and flavorful, it's cooked to perfection, and it's ready to eat now, but we are not finished yet. I've still got to make the teriyaki sauce. Now this sauce is absolutely delicious and it's extremely easy to make, but you need a clean pan to make it in. So clean off your pan and then put it over a medium heat. Okay guys, so now it's time to make the sauce. First, in goes some mirin, and after that, in goes some soy sauce. Next, in goes a little bit of sugar. And finally, in goes the honey, and today I'm using manuka honey from Australia actually. I'm trying to hide it because it's actually not New Zealand manuka, it's from Australia. Go figure. Now I'm using manuka honey because I'm from New Zealand and I have a ton of it, but for this dish you can use any type of honey that you like. When your teriyaki sauce reaches the right viscosity, it's time to add the chicken. Now this sauce has a lot of sugar in it, so keep an eye on it because it's going to start to bubble like crazy. Now you don't want this sauce to burn. So again, keep a close eye on it and adjust the heat accordingly. If the sauce has a nice caramel color, then you know you're doing the right thing. So my advice is, while that sauce is cooking, keep moving that chicken so it's nicely coated. And if it does look like it's getting too hot and it's starting to crystallize, then just reduce the heat a little bit. As the sauce reduces and thickens, it starts to coat the chicken, giving it a nice, beautiful teriyaki glaze. Okay guys, by the looks of it, this teriyaki chicken is ready, so it's time to take it off the heat and give it a close inspection. Oh boy, now that is some excellent teriyaki chicken. Just look at it, it's glistening with glaze. Now this is the real deal, this is real teriyaki. No bottled sauces involved here. Anyone can do this if you follow the Bento Buster's simple instructions. It's everything you want some awesome chicken to be. It's shiny, it's juicy, it's teriyaki, it's manuka-y. Oh, and it's extremely tender indeed. Basically, this stuff looks bloody fabulous and I can't wait to get stuck in. Yes, teriyaki chicken, baby. Okay, and for visual effect, I've just poured all of the sauce on top of it. Hey! Okay, so the next step is to cut it into slices because I guess that's what you do with teriyaki chicken, and then get stuck in. And today, I'm not using chopsticks. I'm going to use my fingers. Because this stuff is so delicious, it's tactile. You want to feel the flavor as you eat, and I've just realized that I'm doing that wearing disposable rubber gloves. Okay, enough blabbing on, let's get stuck in. Oh my god, that is so good. And by good, I mean it's teriyaki-tastic. This chicken is moist and packed full of flavor and it's just oozing with teriyaki goodness. Thank God I wore my gloves. As I mentioned before, this was so easy to put together and the results are incredible. Guys, you're gonna love this. Definitely give it a go because it has the Bento Buster's thumbs up of approval. Okay guys, as usual, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. See you later. Kia kaha. Stay strong.